Oh my God, that's what is going on in Kampala. Abana twecha wabwe tuddamu. Nange wenjagala nzirelwa kwanze sisobola. Naye Prima, we congratulate you. Tuli basanyufu olw'okuba nti Mabako muntu nga baby wa munne nga ne baba mchaye sawa yonna wayagalira agamba baby just stay there ndi wano come back please. Bazza wada. Era tukude Prima tunyonyole wabachi gwata ina munsonyi Prima lwacha oli mulalo nnyo. Natugamba oli taata w'abaana tudde mazima. Just stay there tuvudde wala abantu abamba ina history Jackson nga ne wokola otya tojja breakinga nga ne oyingide obufumbo bwawe bujja kuddawo so Prima finally registered bazzewa era tuwadde her side of the story natugamba budde obunatuka kuvayo yennyonyoleko
where he talked about just the meeting Henry be kubye kifaananyi kya Kenzo ne
era basabye collaboration abasatu ababiri
then
n'abantu abamu criticizing
he has just said I know mukyalo omulala so
Hindu agambye Hindu ayiye bibye yayiye bibye
so tachina ko
atalina buzibu yali ku bibye but I'm sure nze wembeera nze wenkomeye wa baby wange trust me obo inovayo jamugo
oli swaba
kulavu je balina bana babiri linda Hindu agenda kunoba
necha kagalako kagambi tsoke fumba toke lyo fumbe lyange umanda abere eri Tuesday abere wa
ate ka Hindu kafumbisika boli hajati Hindu katufirawe atota embozia Prima
Edikenzo kyakoze sinkana abudana yasisinkana ko kugenda namba mama so yayogerawo
era Henry ne just never okusisinkana because they're all in the industry so I don't see a reason why there has to be beef between them oli muyimbi oli akola ku radio or TV or anything they have to bump into each other over D so sichikeba ba this is fun business wise byange ne tata sebi okuddawo but the bit again at the right time. I think I'll have to explain myself at the right time. Yeah. Me, I'm about my business, my life, my happiness. Never I'm saying I never catch the pum. They maybe about having quite a course as long as I'm fine. Navampa be ayagala, you know, be fair. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. Kwanga buli omusajja gwe ina tamuliko omusikecho. Naye mnango bwe mana kwefa ko bibye bamwagale bamukuba abantu. If I'm dating a man, other women are not my problem. As long as I'm happy, I'm enjoying, I'm giving whatever I want, why would I mind others?
Wali ofunye omwami ng'omuliko we kataliko lukalala naye n'omusuulawo. Noddayo eriyaye n'olukalala.
Buli omu alina okukola kyayagala ku nsi eno. Everyone should do what they want with their life. Everyone has to do what they want with their life. Yeah. Omusajja wofuna omusajja era nga mukola biki era ofuna olubuto ne lujja era oba n'oluzaala. Terajja. Nawe ndifuna nduzaala. Henry is a good person. Era mutumidde mwagala nnyo. He knows that. Me, what people have to know, abusing me or saying anything bad about me is not my problem. It is your problem, Achwandis. It is not going to change anything about your life. I am going to still be Prima. I'm still going to be me. You're not going to change it. So no yogerachi. As long as don't kuteko, wanga wonkwatako kirala ne okunvuma kirala. You can insult me. Make sure you don't touch me. Everyone is entitled to their opinions. You cannot tell people what to say, what to comment. Because data, so everyone is entitled to what they want. I know I am Prima, no one is me. You cannot change anything about me. Say I'm happy. That is why my children are happy, people around me are happy. Yeah, and men are happy if they're around me. Every man is happy if they're around me. No man cannot be happy.
Oyogoba ise Prima Kadash.
The girl herself.
The girl herself. Mujagala confidence ya Prima. And she's right. Every man is happy around some women.
Exactly.
Enenga bamize oba mujja wangu bano obuzibu. Era today no woza. Nina big problem. So to ina Chief Robbie music kugamba bakuletede studio eyo mulembe recording abakwamba solo pangsa cameras by red camera black magic ne drone